Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the parachute camo. So what you need to do is go to your Battle Royale page, tap your loadout at the bottom of your screen, and then this is your Battle Royale page, loadout page I mean. You can see a lot of option in here. So what I want to show you is this in the corner, your parachute. So I'm collecting not so many parachute, but I collecting it from the event. So if you are playing more, of course you are collecting maybe more than I have. So what you need to do is just tap the equip to change the design or change the color. So it will be your default parachute when you are in game. So feel free to try it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.